Working in this space, it makes you reflective. I really love traveling, and I traveled for a year, 5 years ago, and it really hit me that that wasn't a sustainable way of living. And that's when I realized that I needed to change traveling in a more sustainable way. Less planes, more trains, more cycling, and so on. That really impacted my job as well. If I have to make restraints in my own life, which is what everyone needs to do, I feel more confident to tell EY clients that they also need to do the same. At Climate Change and Sustainability Services, I work mostly on what we call decarbonization solutions. We help clients understand where their emissions and their carbon footprint comes from, and then help them identify decarbonization actions as well as new business models, and then also help them to understand that it's achievable. What I most enjoyed about my work is that I'm surrounded by really smart and nice people. I'm learning a lot every day, both technical skills, soft skills as well. If we face an issue during a project, we have a question from a client that we don't know the answer to, there is someone else that already faced that same situation, and everyone is really happy to help each other so that we can all grow in the right direction. People and companies are not doing enough and fast enough, are not changing fast enough to reduce the impact on climate change. And I really hope that people start realizing it more and more. The questions clients come to EY teams with are more and more technical and complicated as well. While a few years ago you were discussing about just doing a carbon footprint assessment for a company, now they will ask for a really concrete methodology to accurately follow the emissions throughout the years, which is going in the right direction. Being aware and conscious about climate change is the first step before changing anything, and it's really important that all companies, all sectors believe in climate change, because it's not always the case. Sustainability is really important to me, and it is, or it should be, important to everyone else, both companies and mankind. Working as a team is essential. When facing such problems and such challenges as global warming and climate change, you really need to share solutions, you really need to collaborate. Playing soccer with some colleagues of the team during the week, at lunchtime or at the end of the day, gives you the opportunity to meet new people within your team. Playing soccer, playing a collective sport, you need to get on well with your teammates, to be organized, and I think that's what I bring and what the others bring to the job. Collaboration is capital. We are all facing this challenge, and we really need to work together. Everyone should work in the same direction. It's a joint effort. We all need to change.